So now we will be seeing a practical part, and we would be looking into the battery pack of a bicycle. So you can see this is the casing of the bicycle, which we normally call the hylon casing. The batteries of the bikes you would normally find in this shape only, called hylon casing. This is the holder. This is the holder through which the power is discharged, and it is connected to the motor. Normally, this is provided. This gets attached to the bike, and the battery could be detached from this portion, so that we could prevent it from theft and other ways. And this is the internal portion of the battery, the main part of the battery, which is a combination of the cylindrical cells. You can see the cylindrical cells. These are 18650 cells, 2550 mAh, and 3.6 volt of nominal voltage cells. So here you can see these cells. These are the cell holders. These are the cell holders. These are the cell holders. These keep the cells separated from each other. So in case when there are vibrations, these cells don't touch each other, or even if any cell gets heated up, it doesn't damage other cells. So these cell holders, in a way, they prevent the damaged cell from coming in contact with another proper cells. So when we are like assembling a battery, it is very important that we use a very good quality cell holder, so that even if some cell is heating to some extent, it doesn't affect another cell. So if we talk about this battery, this is a 10.2 Ah and 25.2 volt battery, which is formed by the combination of these kind of cylindrical NMC cells. You could see that the cells have been combined into series and parallel, and then they have been spot welded with the help of the nickel strips. These are spot welded with the help of the nickel strips. So to get the desired capacity of 25.2 volt voltage range to get, we have used 7 cells in series, and those 7 cells have been and 4 sets and sets of 7 cells placed in parallel to get the desired Ah of 10.2 Ah. So after being placed, and then they are connected with into series and parallel, and are spot welded from each other to get the desired capacity. After the cell has been connected, they are again then connected with the BMS. You could see the BMS. It is a 4S BMS to which it is connected, and through BMS we have got the output, as well as the charging circuit has come out of the BMS through this. So this BMS takes care of this battery. It senses the temperature, short circuit, over voltage conditions. It senses, and it disconnects the battery whenever it senses any abnormalities or any uh, mishappening into the battery. In other words, you could say that it is the brain of the battery, and not just protection, but it also takes care of to what extent the battery has to be charged, and to what extent it can it can discharge.